Hi, I'm Derek with Liminal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find an insight that's relevant to your market, follow it so it stays on your radar, and drill into the evidence behind it so you can bring your team into the conversation. This feature is found in Command under the menu item Insights. When you first come to the Insights feature, you're asked for a few configuration options so that we can ensure that insights shown to you are tailored to your interests and to your company. In this example, I'm going to choose fraud prevention and regulatory compliance as my universe of interest. Click Next. Now, liminal use cases that are relevant to my business. I'm going to choose first-party fraud. This is narrowed by the universes that I'm interested in. And I'm going to choose under financial crimes and compliance, business and entity verification, and KYC. In the Liminal platform are many sectors and verticals. To narrow my focus even further, all verticals are selected by default, so I'm just going to click Next. And now I can focus on target geos. Just going to narrow this to North America and Europe. Our team develops insights by reviewing research, looking at trends within our monitor events, and surveys from our market. All of these insights are tailored to my configuration, and many of them have been validated by our research team. I'm going to find one that strikes my interest. This one is about the risk of deepfakes to KYC platforms. You can see that it's backed by 23 different events from the Liminal monitor. So drilling into an insight, I get additional details of what this means and related content from across the Liminal platform. Most critically, this insight shows me why this matters for my specific company. Because Liminal knows my organization, the framing of what you're reading here isn't generic. It's contextualized to your position in the market, with specific recommendations for my team. Below is a link to all 23 sources related to this market insight, which I can open and read additional analysis about this particular event or jump over to the monitor to view more. I'd like to share this insight with my team, so I'll click Add to Space, and I've set up a team space called Market Movement. I can click this and add it to that space, and now I can invite my team members to come in, comment, add to analyses, as well as tag related content. So the insight doesn't stop here, it becomes something that I read and something that my team can act upon. Okay, that's Insights. This feature helps you find an insight, dig into the evidence in detail, and add it to your team space to bring your team into the conversation. The page will be continuously updated as Liminal's expert team validates and publishes new signals. So the more you configure your preferences, the more relevant insights will become.